welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I did these super cute, super easy, super beginner friendly miracle knots. Keep on watching. So these are the viral miracle knots. I know this looks like a sew-in or a quick weave or a crochet, but these are actually braids. These are called miracle knots. So I braided my hair in small to medium plaits, and then I crocheted 3 to 4 pieces on each braid. Absolutely love how easy this was to achieve. This was about 3.5 to 4 hours from start to finish. Super cute, so versatile. I cannot wait to style this up. You can do a middle part like I had, or you can flip it over and do a side part, which I absolutely love because I'm definitely a side part girly. You can do half up, half down. There are so many styles that you can do with this. Now, I have done miracle knot styles before, never with this kinky curly hair, but this kinky curly definitely eats down. Like this, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 plus 10 times 10 to the 10th power. Okay? This hair is absolutely gorgeous. This is from an Amazon seller. I'll put the name up above and also link it in the description box. But baby, I'm gonna give you a 360 and we're gonna get into this tutorial because I am obsessed. Now this is fresh after installation, defining the curls, letting it dry. I had to immediately come on and give you guys this tutorial because she's it. She's absolutely it. Now I do probably need to go in and do a quick trim. I could not find my scissors, so we are gonna find those scissors and we're gonna give ourselves a little trim. But baby, this hair and this style definitely has me in a chokehold. So let's get into this tutorial. We are doing miracle knots with some kinky curly hair and I am so excited about doing this hairstyle. So let me show you the hair that I got. It is Young Beauty on Amazon. This is the package that the hair came in. This is the 18-inch kinky curly feather crochet hair. This is 240 grams that I got. So there are 4 packs. Each pack comes with the netting and then the feather thread in the middle is secured. I absolutely love this kinky texture. Now I have used this kinky texture hair before as just a regular crochet, and I've also done some boho twists with this texture hair, but never the miracle knot. So I'm so excited about this tutorial. As you can see, this hair looks absolutely beautiful. This is like the natural 1B color. This is natural hair, so it can be dyed. I'm not gonna dye it now, but I may do that. So here is one strand, nice and full. I'm probably going to add 3 to 4 pieces for each braid. This is what the hair looks like. Absolutely love these curls. You can leave these curls as is, or you can go in and define them with some mousse, which I am going to do. So let's get right into this tutorial. The first thing that I like to do with this style is to braid in a piece at the bottom of my hair so that all of my hair is concealed, so that it's a true protective style. I'm gonna go in, put the needle close to the end. Just going to attach it onto the latch, close the latch, pull it through, take the hook off, And then I'm just gonna pull one side through. And then I'm gonna take half of it, pull it up. I'm gonna take this part and split it in 3. I'll be combining my hair with the middle piece. And then we're just gonna braid it down until it feels secure. And you don't have to put any glue or make any knots. You're just braiding it down until you'll feel comfortable, making sure that you've braided past your natural hair. And because of the texture, it's not going anywhere. And then you pull that piece down. So now you essentially have 2 little pieces. Now go in and put another one about here. And I definitely recommend doing these braids in medium sections. The last time I did it, I did really small braids, and it was so hard to get the crochet hook to go through the braid. So medium to large braids are the best. So again, I insert the hook into my braid, hook the thread in, close it, pull it through. And now for this middle part, this is where the magic knot comes in. We literally just take this hair, and you could either go through with 1 piece or 2. I'll show you both. So this is going in with 1 piece. The hair is literally going nowhere. 1 knot, don't have to do it more than once. And then we're gonna put 1 at the base. You can see how full it is already. And this is just 3 pieces of hair added. So put the thread on the hook, close the hook, pull it through. This time I'll show you how to do the knot with both pieces. So we just take the thread, pull both pieces through, secure it that way, and then we just split the hair in half. Super full, so we went from this braid to this braid. Okay, so this is 1 full bundle. And we're almost halfway done already, and this is just 1 bundle. Okay, so this is 3 full packs. As you can see, it is super full. your 360. Baby, this is giving Diana Ross. Tracy Ellis Ross. This is big hair, don't care, okay? So we are gonna go in and define the curls with a little water and mousse, and then we'll be back with the final reveals. So here are the final results after letting my hair dry. I am absolutely obsessed. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. First off, have you tried the Miracle Knots yet? It's definitely beginner friendly. You can definitely do this yourself. The hardest and longest part is actually plaiting down your hair, which you could actually have someone do for you and then just crochet the pieces in. Crocheting the pieces in is a piece of cake. You can crochet in 3 to 4 to 5 to 6 pieces, however full you want it. With this kinky curly hair, 3 pieces per braid is definitely enough. I did get 4 packs of this hair. I only used 3 packs for this style. The best thing about this hair is that you can reuse it. So you can undo these braids. This hair will slide right out. You can reuse this hair for another style. Just trust and believe you will see this hair again. Make sure you check the description box. I'll leave the link to this hair there because you want to get this hair before they sell out. You know that these Miracle Knots are going all over social media. Everybody's trying to grab up this hair, so get yours before they are gone. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video as much as I'm enjoying this style. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and what style should I do with this hair next? Thanks so much for watching. As always, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.